as you can see, we can't see our Wi-Fi option. It's probably acting like the politician after the elections. And let's see. So we have to just do run Windows plus R and do the np ncpa.cpl, and we will on our network adapters, and you can see our Wi-Fi. Just click on that and just go to diagnose. Windows 11 is little better, so you can just restart the network services, and probably this will fix it for most of you guys. If still it's not working, there could be other issues. It could be driver issues, and if you are on Linux, like I am an AI engineer, so I use Linux so much, so you can do the systemctl and restart the network manager on the Linux, but on Windows you can fix that easily. And let me just complete it. It's restarting the drivers, and I mean not drivers, it's restarting the whole Wi-Fi router, and I hope it will fix that issue. If it's not, you can reinstall the drivers, do other steps. There are so many troubleshooting steps because Microsoft Windows is piece of shit. I mean, probably not better than Linux. I can definitely say that because I daily drive both.